Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this look right here. So if you would love to see the way I created this look, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. For this look, I'm going to be taking my Profusion Siennas palette. I really enjoyed this palette right here. It's super affordable and it's also actually pretty pigmented as well. So the first shade I'm going to be taking is the shade called Daring right here. And I'm going to be applying that in my crease with a fluffy brush. I want to start incorporating makeup tutorials here and there. I know a lot of the time I get compliments on my makeup and I don't do very many tutorials, so I definitely want to start doing tutorials for you guys and just again incorporating them once in a while. I usually do my makeup kind of all out for Instagram to take Instagram pictures because of course I'm not going to be doing this eye look just to be around the house or to go to work or anything, so yeah. So now with the smaller brush, I'm going to be taking my Coastal Scents Classic Blending Brush. And I'm going to go in with the shade called Madly. This one right here. And I'm going to be applying this in my crease as well. But it's going to be more of the darker shade that you can see there. It's like a deep maroon color. It's really pretty. And just applying this in my actual crease with the smaller crease brush just to really define my crease there. So when I cut my crease, it's nice and sharp. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be taking my LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer. This is in the shade Ivory, and then this Royal and Lange Nickel brush. It's a number 10 brush. And use a mirror to be able to get really in there to cut my crease and try to make it even. I find that using a concealer to cut my crease is easier than trying to use like a white eyeshadow base. I feel like I haven't like actually sat down and done my eye makeup in a while, which I kind of haven't. So this is kind of nice to be able to play with makeup. I've really been into nails. So I've been kind of incorporating nails into my channel. So I hope you guys are enjoying those. And I am going to start posting on Instagram about nails. So far people are enjoying it, so that's awesome. I just did my nails, look. I did different nails on both hands. So I did an orange hand and then a purple hand, which was pretty fun to have like different kind of nails on. So I just feel like I've been into nails lately just because it's something new. So I've really been enjoying that. But I loved makeup too, so I know a lot of you guys subscribe to me because of the makeup, so definitely want to still incorporate makeup into my channel. I think it's pretty even. So now I'm gonna go back into my Siennas palette and I'm gonna be taking the shade called Conquest, that's different. So what shade? This shade right here, and also this shade called Ritzy right there. Then apply it to my lid. You're kind of not gonna really see this color, so you can just messily apply it. Because I'm gonna go in with a shimmery pigment over it. So this is kind of just applying like a base to the look. So now I'm gonna be taking a e.l.f. like little sticker. These e.l.f. stickers. They're e.l.f. stickers for like doing precise wing liner or for cut creases. So I'm just gonna apply this right here. I hope my eye look is even. Looks like it. So I'm gonna go in with the shade called Madly and Groovy. Yep, Madly and Groovy. So these two shades, and I'm going to start off with the shade called Madly first with a angled brush, and I'm just going to be creating my wing liner and make it really close to the edge of where my crease was. And then just drag it all the way to my through my lash line. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to take that shade called Groovy to kind of deepen this liner, but like just applying this color really close to my lash line. And then you can take the tape off and you should have a precise-ish line. So I'm going to be applying this Pop Beauty Kajal pencil in the shade Sooty Black. And I'm just going to be applying this in my waterline. And I'm also going to be tight lining with this too. This helps to thicken the look of your lashes. And then I'm also going to be applying some falsies, so it'll help hide them a little bit too. So now I'm going to go back into the shade called Moody. This one right there. And applying this to my lower lashes. So this look is pretty much complete. All we have to do is apply lashes and mascara and we are all done. And apply lipstick. So I'm going to stack both of these lashes. I'm going to wear both of Pure lashes in the style Bombshell and Trendsetter. So I'm going to apply both of these and my mascara off of camera and we'll be right back. So this is the final look. On my lips, I am wearing the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in the shade Caramel Cake. Super beautiful, like a red brown. It's super beautiful, so I definitely would recommend that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!